We can rotate it 360 and again position it however we want with the flexibility of our lamp. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the BenQ eReading lamp floor stand extension. I did receive this product from BenQ, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this floor stand or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You may have noticed behind me, we actually have two versions of the BenQ eReading lamp. We'll be using those and trying one out in this video with this stand. But here's how everything comes packaged to you in a nice retail box, walking you through installation instructions right here, the included contents, and we have BenQ's contact information on the back side for you. Now let's go ahead, let's open this up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. We have the stand itself right here in two pieces. This base plate is really heavy. We also have an included wrench, and we have our feet with screws for the base. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything set up. Step one is to install the 6 feet on the base. So we'll take a screw and one of those rubber feet, just line them up at the holes like you see here, drop the screw in place, and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to fasten them in place. All right, so there you go. We have all 6 feet installed on the base. Check that out. We have our first step complete. Next step is to go ahead, you're gonna unthread the bolt and washer from the bottom of our nice metal arm post right here. And we're gonna thread it through the back side of our base, like you see right here. And then we're gonna fasten it back in place, and you can start finger tight like I'm doing, but they provide that wrench for you so you can tighten it down and get it nice and snug. There you go, we have everything tightened down in place, and it'll stand upright on its own. Make sure again you have this tip up at the top and you followed everything that we've done right here. Now the last step is to go ahead and add our light. So I went ahead, I disassembled the lamp that was behind me right here so we can install it on the floor stand. Very simple. We just have one screw right here to use the included Allen wrench with your lamp, not anything that's included with the base, but with the lamp itself. So we're gonna put that on there and then just tighten that down to hold it fastly in place to the base. All right, so there we go, check it out. We have it fully assembled. This is gonna be your max height too. So it's not a super tall lamp. I'm 5'9", so hopefully that puts it in perspective for you. It comes up to about my chin right there, but it's really nice, right? Obviously we have the same features and functionality that we get depending on the e-reading lamp that we're using with this. We can rotate it 360 and again position it however we want with the flexibility of our lamp. Solid base, everything looks great. Now let's look at it up close so you can see everything and it won't be cut off from the table. Here's your full look at the assembled lamp. Everything looks great. Let's start at the base down here. So we have our power cord routed with our one cable clip, and we can move this up or down as needed. Then we have our e-reading lamp. This is where it's going to be installed. So basically 29 inches is the height of our extension and floor lamp. And then the rest of it's going to be the e-reading lamp, and we have our cable in there routed up to the very top. So everything looks really nice. If you want to take your e-reading lamp off of a table, nightstand, desk, things like that, and you want to have it on the floor, this is going to be a good option for you. I do wish, now that we're looking at it here, I love this design a lot better where the power cord is routed in. I wish this had maybe a clip or a cover that could remove so we could actually tuck and hide that away in there as well. And maybe some connection at the bottom to hide the power cord underneath, maybe, and route it through the base. That would be pretty clever. Cool if they could design it that way. And also, I really wish this had an adjustable height, so maybe a little knob here, and we could extend this another 30 inches to make this lamp even taller. That's what I'd like to see improve with this in the future, but it's solid, high quality, just like you've come to expect with your e-reading lamp. It definitely has the same fit, finish, and premium feel.